Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to USNMix YouTube channel. Today's topic is stay and play at home with popular past Google Doodles, Fischinger 2017. So this is the new Google Doodle game of Fischinger 2017. So now we'll know what are the doodles. Doodles are fun, surprising and sometimes spontaneous changes that are made to the Google logo to celebrate holidays, anniversaries and the lives of famous artists, pioneers and scientists, the search giant describes. Previously Google Doodle had done a series in which it expressed its gratitude towards those who continue to work on the ground even during the coronavirus pandemic. So today we'll play the Fischinger game of Google Doodle 2017. But before start, I want to say if you are new in our channel, then subscribe our channel. Science and technology related topics may be discussed in this channel. And if you like our video and like our channel, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and make comments. And also click on the bell button on the right side. If you click on the bell button, you will get notification for the next videos. To get full information, please watch the video from the beginning to the end. Otherwise, you will not get the full information and miss many useful information on this topic. Okay friends, let's start. Let's go to the full report. Okay friends, now Google Doodles Fischinger 2017 game. And now today we'll discuss how to play this game. And everyone in the worldwide, everybody is staying at home for this coronavirus pandemic. Now Google made this special doodles for today. It is in its homepage. Google Fischinger game is displaying. So how can you play this game? So today we'll discuss about that. Google made these special doodles. Now you will be able to make music of your choice from home. On Wednesday, the doodle was about 2017 creative game celebrating Oskar Fischinger. On ordering on this doodle, a text that reads stay and play at home with popular past Google Doodles Fischinger 2007 appears. Now this Oskar Fischinger 2017 today's doodle of Google is very special because through this doodle users can easily create a music of their choice. Actually Google has shown the Fischinger game in its doodle. Users will enjoy a lot by playing this game. Along with this, the boredom of users will also be removed. All of we are staying at home and doing our office works from my home, from their own home. So everyone was feeling bored. So this boredom of users will also be removed while playing this game. Let us know that the company had earlier made doodles for coding and cricket games, which if you have seen these previous videos, we discuss about this coding and cricket games of Google Doodle. So now today we'll discuss on this Oskar Fischinger 2017 and we know about how to play this Oskar Fischinger game. Now 117th anniversary of Oskar Fischinger game information. Google launched this game in 2017 on the occasion of 117th anniversary of Oskar Fischinger. Oskar Fischinger was a well-known figure in the music industry who took the industry at the top. At the same time, the biggest award given in the field of music in the name of Oskar in. Now this is the Google Doodle easy game. Playing this game of Google is very easy. For this, users must first go to the Google Doodle and tap it. After this, the page of this game will open in front of them and users will see the play button. Here, as soon as the users click on the play button, then they will reach the game directly. Now play Fischinger game like this. Many columns are given inside the game and users have to click on the column of their choice. In these columns, users will hear different sound which they can change according to their own. At the same time, the company says that we have reintroduced this game so that people living in the house during the lockdown can overcome the boredom. So today Google in its homepage, Google shows that is Google Fischinger game 2017. So now we'll read the theory and now at the end of this theory we'll show how to play this Fischinger game 2017. So watch the video for till. Okay friends, now you have seen already the coding and cricket game was launched and we are published and we are playing this game, coding game and cricket game in previous videos. So if you not watch this, you can go to our channel and watch these coding games and cricket games, which is very popular Google Doodle game. And Google has earlier made popular game coding and cricket doodles. Both these games have been well linked by the people. Also people have also overcome this boredom with these games. At the same time, the company launched both games in 2017 itself. Now we'll go to the Google homepage and we'll play this game. Okay friends, this is the Google search engine website and this is the Google Doodle for today. This is the stay and play at home with popular past Google Doodles Fischinger 2017. So now we just click on it. Here you have seen this is the Fischinger game is coming and now play. So music is not limited to the world of the sound. There exists a music of visual world. Oskar Fischinger, and click around the make your own visual music composition. So when I click on this, the music starts. Let's see. When I select this styles, see the screen is playing. This is the screen of music and which styles I have selected here it's shown, and according to the selected styles the music starts from the beginning to the end. Suppose I select this line, you hear this music comes. You can make it clear, and again you have just selected another new music panel, so you can create your music on. A very fantastic game, fantastic way to create your own music. And you can also modify this from here. See the sound, it's great visuals and sound music. You can also try to your desktop today. So this is a very easy game and clear game for this make your own music today, and this is the Google Doodle game, Fischinger game of 2017. Okay, now we'll go to the another pattern, that is Nick Zumo 2. You can also change from there this pattern. You can also zoom this also. Great way to make your own music. Now this is the you can also revert these changes. So when you click, so this is the revert changes, the beginning, the before I make this music. Now you can also clear this, and also you can select this from, and again music starts. You can create it your own music. Very simple way to create your own music and very beautiful to playing and pass your time in this lockdown situation. So see, when I just select this task, this music screen also select this and playing from the beginning to the end. And this is the way to create your own music, and I think you will enjoy this video. So you like this video today, and if you want, then you can share this Fischinger game to with your friends. You can share it through Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, and you can also mail it through this. And this is the link, and you can just copy it and just send the mail to your friends, or you can tweet it, or you can make Facebook post from here directly. So this is the simple way to create your music. I think you will like this video and you enjoy this video, and that's it for today. Okay friends, that's it. And after watching this video, now you can know the detail about how to play this popular Google Doodle games, Google Doodle Fischinger game 2017. Hope you'll enjoy this video and you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you like our video and our channel, then you can like, share, subscribe of our USNMix YouTube channel. And if you have any information regarding this video or want to ask more, then you can make comments in the comment section on this video of USNMix YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video once again. Thank you.